Plaintiff Rasheen Ham is suing his girlfriend's sister for attacking him with a frying pan and a beer bottle after they were both in a heated argument. Defendant Yazare Rodriguez says she confronted Rasheen because he hit and spit on her sister. Yazare admits to hitting Rasheen with a frying pan, but she says she only did that after he attacked her mother.
Remain standing. The Honorable Judge Jeanine Pirro presiding. Please be seated.
All right, Rasheen Ham is suing his girlfriend's sister for medical bills and pain and suffering due to an assault. Talk to me.
All right, Yazare and is my girlfriend's sister.
Is this your girlfriend?
Yes.
So your sisters?
Yeah.
Yes.
This will be interesting.
So, on July 7th, it was her birthday, Yazare's birthday, and I guess, everybody was hanging out where Raquel lives at, like in front of her building or like in the neighborhood around there. We were drinking, and me and Raquel had an argument. We decided to go in the house, and we were going up. We still was having words going back and forth.
What are you fighting about?
She was talking to some guys, and
Didn't like that, huh?
I didn't like that.
Women not supposed to speak to guys?
No, not like that. I just I didn't think it was.
He was jealous.
No, I wasn't
What a
jealous.
shock.
Yeah.
No, I wasn't jealous.
Yeah.
It wasn't
So if
appropriate.
you weren't jealous, what do you care? She's talking to a guy.
It wasn't. She was sitting on a bench, and one of them had their arm around him. Now, do you think that's appropriate?
That's not
Oh,
true.
at a party, no less, where there's drinking going on. Big
That-
deal. Get over it.
She doesn't allow
Rhonda,
me.
he's very jealous and a controlling man.
No,
That's
I'm
what
not.
he is.
That is a lie. That is a.
That's not a lie.
That
That's
is a-
true.
Okay,
That's
we'll
a
find out. We're not there yet, so go ahead.
We're in the house. We're arguing. We're going back and forth. She asked me to leave. She says, because it's getting very. The arguing is getting very heated, like very bad.
Your Honor,
like very.
he spit and hit my sister. She came downstairs telling my mom and my friend and everybody who's
I didn't
out there.
hear her. I didn't
She
hear her.
even witnessed it.
I didn't.
He
hit her.
spit and hit
He
your
spit
sister?
and hit my sister.
I
She
didn't hit
came
her.
downstairs
Come on
crying
up.
and saying everything.
I didn't hit her. That's a lie.
That's not a lie.
I did not hit her.
Talk to me. Raquel.
He didn't hit me. We were arguing and
Now she went.
I just asked him to leave so he could cool off. He's not from where I live, so I wasn't gonna kick him out and just leave him out there. He was
What do
gonna
you mean
come
he's
back
not from where you
I
live?
live 5 cities away from where they live at.
Okay.
So I just wanted him
Did
to
he
go
spit at
outside
you?
and
Look at me. Don't ask him permission.
Tell the truth.
yes, he spit at me.
I didn't deny that
How do you spit at a woman?
because I didn't want to hit
That's
her.
the most, because you didn't want to hit her?
Yeah.
In her face. This
Because
You're in the wrong courtroom, honey.
No, I'm just being honest with you. I'm not gonna lie to you. She sticks her middle finger up at me, so it was, and she said she was playing. She said she thought I was playing the whole time.
Did you ever spit at a woman again? Ever?
I apologize.
Is he serious?
I am serious.
I'm not asking you.
Yes.
You and I need to talk, Raquel. Why did you jump up? What do you want to say? Were you there that night?
Yeah, I witnessed when she came downstairs saying that her baby father hit her in the face and spit at her. She was crying. Her face was all red.
When you saw her, did you see him hit her or you just saw her face was red?
Her face was red. She came
Was she
downstairs
crying too?
Yeah, and said she.
That's a lie.
I was upset we was arguing.
She don't.
I'm not talking to you.
All right. Well, can I respond?
Raquel. Did he ever put his hands on you?
No.
lie all the time.
That is a lie. All the time.
Rasheen, here's the deal.
Yes.
When I talk to you,
Okay.
then you can answer me. I'm talking to these women right
Okay.
now. You have a child with him?
We have 2 kids,
How old are they?
4 and 2.
4 and 2. And he lives 5 cities away? That means he doesn't live with you?
No.
Does he pay child support?
No.
Why don't you take him to court for that? Spit back at him, legally speaking.
And he's on child support.
Okay, that's enough. I get it. Okay, now. All right, so why are you here?
Okay.
Sit down, ladies, other ladies. Did you call the police?
The police came.
They just told me to go outside, take it easy.
Before the cops left, he calmed down. That's when I was like, Rasheen, well, I call him Scrappy Doo because that's how he acts like Scrappy Doo.
Scrappy-Doo?
Yes. He thinks he could just beat just fight the whole world. That's how he is.
I didn't put my hands on her that night. And
So then
that's
why
the
did she
honest
call the
truth.
cops?
And this
Why'd
was-
she call the
That's the
cops?
She called the cops because she wanted me to leave and I refused to leave. I was saying, I'm not going anywhere. That's why she called the cops.
Have you ever been arrested for domestic violence?
No.
Lying.
I'm lying.
What did you say?
Am I
He's
lying?
lying?
Yeah.
When I get
Has he
arrested
been
for domestic
arrested,
violence?
Raquel?
No, not for domestic violence.
For what? Don't
He's
look
been
at him.
arrested.
Don't look at him. Raquel, you need to reorient your body and your whole persona. You do not need his permission to speak.
Oh,
You
I
do
know
not
I
need his
don't.
permission to speak to other men. You do not need his permission to be at a party and have a man put his arm around you and panic that he's going to get mad. You are an individual. You are independent. You are a strong woman. You do not need permission from him to live or anything else.
Your Honor, can you please tell her that one more time?
All right, tell her that one more time. I can't tell it the same way the second time. All right. You're beautiful.
Thank you.
Why do you stay with him?
I have kids with him.
I'm making it like I'm a bad guy.
I wouldn't. I want to.
Crazy.
Well,
Trying to
you know
keep my
what? You
family.
may be a doll, Scrappy dude.
No, I
I'm
ain't been
starting
doing
to think you
nothing.
got issues.
Nah, it's all right. You know, it's okay. Because I know the truth, she know the truth, and she knows the truth.
Okay,
I know the
then
truth.
why are we here today?
Okay, because she's knocking at the door with her mother and with a guy.
Who's the guy?
My friend, a male friend of mine.
So they're banging at the door. She's already gone, so I'm...
Where'd you go, Raquel?
We were going to get some cigarettes.
Go ahead.
And it wasn't really so much of Yajare arguing with me. It was her mother. Her mother was talking like a lot of stuff through the door, and I wasn't gonna open the door. I wasn't opening the
Why?
door because she said I left my purse or something, so open the door. Like her mother.
Did you say I left my purse?
No, my mother left her purse. And plus, we did not want to leave him in the house by himself with the kids. He was intoxicated and he was threatening about destroying everything in the house.
All right, go ahead.
So I opened the door, and that's when her mother just started jumping in my face, like, you're not gonna be talking to my niece like this, and, you know, like, threatening me, and, like, she's, like, thrusting herself against me. She's a heavy woman.
That's not true.
She's a heavy woman. She's thrusting herself at me. I mean, like, you're not gonna be, you know, arguing with my niece and calling her names and this and that.
Raquel, meaning
Yeah,
Raquel.
yeah. So I'm like, yo, get out of my face, go ahead, whatever. So she's doing this for about like 2 or 3 minutes, just trying to argue with me. She's behind me with the other guy. I don't even know. She
Behind you?
Yeah.
And where are you?
I'm in the kitchen. They're behind me. She must have already had this frying pan in her hand, which I didn't even know that she had this thing in her hand. She had a frying pan in her hand. So I'm arguing with her mother, and then her mother keep like throwing her hands in my face. So, you know what I mean? Like pushing me and stuff. So when I pushed her mother back, that's when I got hit in the face with a frying pan. And I turned around, I tried
Your
to-
Honor, I did do that,
I turned
but he hit
around
my
and
mom.
I tried to
I'm sorry.
grab at her. Like I was falling, I'm trying to grab her. That's when the guy, he hits me, boom. So I'm on the ground. They kicking me, stomping me. My daughter is 2 years old. She's screaming to the top of her lungs. They dragged me out of the apartment.
Oh.
They hit me in the head with a Corona bottle.
That's not true.
They kicking me in my face. I can't even get to my feet. Every time I get to my feet, somebody else is hitting me. I mean, I didn't even have an opportunity to defend myself.
What kind of injury did you have?
They broke my nose. My jaw was fractured. I couldn't eat for a week. I couldn't even watch
You had a
TV.
concussion.
I had a concussion. I couldn't even see. Like, I had 2 black eyes. You know, my jaw, it looked like I was 190 pounds and I'm 135 pounds. My face was so swollen. The police came. I could have pressed charges. I could have had them all arrested for like first degree assault. I didn't want to see her go to jail and leave her daughter. You know what I mean? I only cared about her because the other 2 I didn't have no feelings for.
If I believe everything that you say and accept it as true, what would motivate the sister of your girlfriend and her mother and this guy to come up and beat the crap out of you?
Me and her was arguing, and you know what I mean? It was a verbal thing. All of this was just a verbal argument.
Do you think people go up and beat the hell out of other people
If,
because
you know,
of a verbal argument? Let me see the pictures.
You know that some people they you want to take this now? Some people like where we live at, and you know, and I mean, like, I'm not gonna like just try to say
This is what is on the left side of your forehead there?
Frying
they hit
pan,
me with
probably.
because I had the print from the frying pan in my head.
I bet that hurt. Let me see your profile. Wow. Pretty swollen. Whoa.
That's horrible.
Wow.
You don't even look like yourself. Do you have any medical records?
Yeah.
What are your damages?
24 $79.57, and it's been sent to collection. I got the hospital bill and the collection.
$24.79. No insurance?
No.
What happened?
Okay, it was on my birthday, July 7th of 2008. We all were having a good time in front of my sister's building.
Why did the three of you go upstairs?
Because my friend was with me and I was with my mom, and we did not want to leave him upstairs by himself.
All
with
right.
the children.
Go ahead. So
he pushed my mom. So I got mad, and both of them are going back at each other. So I hit him. I got involved with it, and I don't
like just load it up with a frying pan in case you need it.
It took place in the kitchen, and that was just the first thing. I just picked it up.
Where did you find the frying pan?
It was on the stove.
Did it have oil in it?
No, it had food in it. She just threw the food on the floor. She had the pan in her hand the whole time.
That's not true. And about the corona thing, that never happened.
Honey,
never happened.
Listen to me.
Okay.
Somebody beat him up, and they beat him up good.
Yeah. Well, yeah.
Keep talking.
Okay, so it led on to the hallway. Then my friend got involved, and
He got involved in the house.
it all happened in the house, then it led on to the hallway.
Did you have any injuries that night?
No.
Did you lose any of those fingernails?
Yeah.
Okay, let's do it. I think that what I heard here today was a family that was fed up with you pushing Raquel around, and they went up to beat the hell out of you, and that's just what they did. And don't tell me for 1 minute that it was like protecting your mother. You grabbed that frying pan, honey, and you were ready to roll. Now, the law of self-defense doesn't allow you to do anything unless there is imminent danger to another person. She was already gone. And I want to say one thing to you, Raquel. You are a worthy human being, and you are beautiful. And I'm sure you're a good mother. And there's a submissive quality to you. I want you to teach your children not to be submissive to any man. Whether they're girls or boys, I really don't care. It's about being independent. It's about being strong. It's about believing yourself. And I think the more that you teach your children to do that, the more you'll start believing it yourself. You have to repeat things and believe them, and then they become reality. I want that for you. But at the end of the day, the law is very clear. The defendant and her friends beat up the plaintiff. Maybe they were justified in a different world, but in a world where the law is very clear that you cannot assault someone, you are responsible, you are liable for the medical injuries to this man. Now, I think that you two are going to be connected for a long time. I want you to be able to have a relationship of some sort with her. And I want you to go like this to what happened. Hopefully you'll be able to work it out. Verdict for the plaintiff.